Crisp, cool, and incredibly versatile, cucumbers are one of nature's most refreshing gifts. Whether you're looking for a light snack, an easy salad, or a creative way to stay hydrated, cucumbers can do it all. Welcome to Wellness Info Hub, where today we're sharing 5 easy and refreshing cucumber recipes that you can try at home. These dishes are simple, delicious, and perfect for boosting your wellness routine. Let's dive right in and discover how this humble vegetable can transform your meals and snacks. First up on our list is the classic cucumber mint infused water. Hydration is key to feeling your best, and this recipe makes it effortless and enjoyable. Start by slicing half a cucumber into thin rounds and adding them to a pitcher of cold water. Toss in a handful of fresh mint leaves and let the flavors infuse for at least an hour in the refrigerator. The result is a crisp, revitalizing drink that not only quenches your thirst, but also helps flush out toxins and keeps your skin glowing. This is the perfect beverage to sip throughout the day, especially in the warmer months. And the best part? You can refill the pitcher with water several times to enjoy the flavors all day long. Next, let's move on to a vibrant and quick cucumber tomato salad. This dish is bursting with color, nutrients, and flavor, making it an ideal side for any meal or a light lunch on its own. Begin by slicing 1 large cucumber and 2 ripe tomatoes into bite-sized pieces. Add them to a bowl, sprinkle with a pinch of salt and pepper, and toss in a tablespoon of olive oil and a splash of apple cider vinegar. For an extra layer of taste, add a handful of chopped fresh basil or dill. Gently mix everything together and let the salad sit for 5 minutes to allow the flavors to meld. The result is a crunchy, tangy, and refreshing salad that's rich in antioxidants and vitamins, supporting your immune system and overall wellness. Our third recipe brings a fun twist to snack time: cucumber sushi rolls. These are a fantastic low-carb alternative to traditional sushi, and they're as beautiful as they are tasty. Start by peeling a large cucumber and slicing it lengthwise into thin strips using a vegetable peeler. Lay the strips flat and pat them dry with a paper towel. Next, spread a thin layer of hummus or cream cheese along each strip. Place thinly sliced carrots, red bell peppers, and avocado at one end, then gently roll up the cucumber. Secure each roll with a toothpick if needed. These sushi rolls are perfect for parties, picnics, or a healthy afternoon snack. Packed with fiber and healthy fats, they'll keep you satisfied and energized without weighing you down. Moving on, let's prepare a cucumber yogurt dip, known in some cultures as tzatziki. This creamy, tangy dip is the perfect accompaniment for raw veggies, pita bread, or grilled meats. To make it, grate half a cucumber and squeeze out any excess moisture using a paper towel. In a bowl, combine the grated cucumber with 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt, a clove of minced garlic, a tablespoon of chopped fresh dill, a squeeze of lemon juice, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Stir well and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes before serving. The cucumber's coolness pairs beautifully with the creamy yogurt and zesty flavors, making this dip both delicious and nourishing. Yogurt provides probiotics for gut health, while cucumber adds hydration and crunch. Finally, let's finish with a slightly sweet and utterly refreshing treat: cucumber melon popsicles. These homemade popsicles are a fantastic way to cool down and get a dose of vitamins and antioxidants at the same time. Start by combining 1 peeled and chopped cucumber, 1 cup of chopped honeydew or cantaloupe, the juice of 1 lime, and a tablespoon of honey in a blender. Blend until smooth, then pour the mixture into popsicle molds. Freeze for at least 4 hours or until solid. These popsicles are hydrating, low in calories, and free from artificial additives. They're perfect for kids and adults alike, and you can experiment by adding mint or ginger for an extra burst of flavor. There you have it, 5 easy and refreshing cucumber recipes that you can make at home today. Each one is packed with health benefits, from hydration and antioxidants to vitamins and minerals that support your overall wellness. Cucumbers are low in calories, high in water content, and rich in nutrients like vitamin K, vitamin C, and potassium. Including them in your diet can help with weight management, digestion, and even keeping your skin looking its best. Let's quickly recap the recipes we explored today. Cucumber mint infused water, your go-to drink for hydration and detox. Cucumber tomato salad, a light and colorful dish full of flavor and nutrients. Cucumber sushi rolls, the perfect healthy snack or appetizer. Cucumber yogurt dip, a creamy, tangy dip for all occasions. Cucumber melon popsicles, a sweet and cooling treat for hot days. Feel free to mix and match these recipes, adjust the ingredients to your taste, and get creative in your kitchen. Cucumbers are incredibly adaptable and pair well with a variety of herbs, fruits, and vegetables. Whether you're looking to add more plant-based meals to your diet or simply want to enjoy something cool and delicious, these recipes are sure to become favorites in your home. Remember, wellness starts with the choices you make every day. By incorporating more fresh, whole foods like cucumbers into your meals, you're taking a simple yet powerful step toward better health. If you enjoyed these recipes, be sure to explore more of our content here at Wellness Info Hub, where we share easy tips, healthy recipes, and science-backed advice to help you feel your best. Thank you for joining us today. Stay refreshed, stay healthy, and happy cooking.